Hey guys, Tasha Marie here. I am moving on to my next video where I'm going to show you how to package 4 lids as a multi-pack to send to Amazon. We talked about the barcodes and covering those in the last video. And again, for this one, we will need a poly bag, which I didn't take out of the package. So we need a poly bag. We need the tape gun. We need our sticker again. And we don't need anything to cover the barcodes this time. However, we do need this as a set stickers. And here's the reason why we don't need anything to cover the barcodes. When we have an item like this and we're packaging them together, what we do is we take them and package them in a way that the barcodes will cover themselves. Okay? So we put them in the poly bag like so, and then we cover those like so. Right? And then we will snug up that poly bag just like I said for the last one. So I'm going to turn off the video and do that. Okay, so now I'm back and I have snugged up my poly bag. It's nice and snug, and as you can see, no matter which direction you turn the package, you cannot see those barcodes because they have covered themselves. But with this package, we would take our sticker and put it on. And then we would also take several of these. This is a set, do not separate stickers, and put them on the package so that when it gets to Amazon, they know that this is supposed to be one unit. And they won't take it out of the poly bags, or at least that's our hope, that it'll stay in the poly bag together and will not be taken apart. It's up to your discretion how many of these you want to put on. We've had them take things apart before, so we go a little crazy sometimes depending on the product. But this is how we would package 4 of these items together in our poly bag to ship to Amazon.